Donald Trump's trip to Asia could mean curtains for Kim Jung Un. Up next on Deceptions of the Ages News. So the big news out of Asia is that yesterday, Donald Trump had North Korea declared a terrorist state. Now, does that mean that we're going to go to war with North Korea? Not yet. What it really means is that the United States has declared North Korea to be a terrorist state. So what that means is that our defense or our intelligence agencies, like the Central Intelligence Agency and other like them, they now will be tasked with operations against North Korea. And one example of that would have been the Juxnet virus that was introduced in the 90s or 2000s against Iran. So that's one example, but there are other things that the intelligence agencies can do as far as messing up their infrastructure and things like that. So is that a declaration of war? Absolutely not. But what does it mean for the future? So as soon as you start hearing in the media that Kim Jung Il or Un or whatever he is Adolf Hitler, and that he's committing genocide or that he is committing crimes against his own people, well, that means that the United States is getting ready to justify a war, and we're not there yet. So I think one of the things that you have to, that the United States is concerned about at least, and its allies, is that there is a lot of anti-American, a lot of people who probably shouldn't have been let into this country, and now they are a threat at home. If we declare war on anybody, who knows what they're going to do to America. So there's lots of things. The situation is different now thanks to our government. This is Deceptions of the Ages News. We'll see you next time.